think I often describe myself as a soldier, a physician, and an astronaut. The pursuit of those happened in that order. One of the earliest memories I have is of always wanting to be in the military, of wanting to be a soldier. Quite a history of military service in our family. Both of my grandparents, my father was an Air Force officer, and I also remember my parents telling me a story about my great-uncle Clink, Harry McClintock, who was a paratrooper in World War II. He was in the 101st Airborne Division and jumped at Normandy on D-Day, and then jumped in Operation Market Garden in Holland. And that was the first time I had ever heard of the concept of a paratrooper or what it meant to be an airborne soldier. So when I later decided, I graduated from high school and I went to West Point, I knew that I was very interested in this concept of being an airborne soldier. At West Point, they had a parachute team called the Black Knights. Yeah, so I made the parachute team, and that became one of the central activities of my remaining 3.5 years at West Point. In addition to academics, after class, we jumped most days of the week, but then we were also a demonstration team, so we jumped in football games. Also, while I was a cadet, I went through military basic airborne course, which taught military static line parachuting. Specifically the parachute aspect of it, if I go back to the time when I was a cadet, my teammates that I was selected with became my best friends in the world and continue to be to this day. And that camaraderie that we had and that dependency we had on each other, making sure that we were skilled in the aircraft, skilled in the air, our lives depended on each other to do safety checks of each other. That type of camaraderie is something that I feel now in the astronaut corps with my astronaut colleagues as well. I think about how 20 years ago I was developing those skills at an early age and didn't even know it. I'm Andrew Morgan, and I'm a soldier, a physician, and an astronaut.
Subscribe for more space.